I could not believe it when I found this beautiful Broyhill Brasilia Hutch top at a local thrift store. It was in great condition, but it definitely needed to be refinished. The previous owners put down some sort of a sticky drawer liner on these shelves, and I knew that I had quite the task ahead of me of removing off the sticky residue. So I filled a bucket up with some water and then grabbed one of my favorite cleaners, Crud Cutter Degreaser. After letting that sit and work its magic for a few minutes, I pulled out my plastic scraping tool and got to work. This wasn't working so well, so I sprayed on some more. And this seemed to work a little bit better. So that process was taking way too long, and I just didn't have the patience for it. So I grabbed my mineral spirits and poured that on. And then with a soft scrubber, I worked it in. I wanted to move this along a lot quicker, so I grabbed my carbide scraper and carefully and slowly I was able to remove that sticky mess. Once everything was nice, clean, and dry, I grabbed my Howard Restore a Finish in the color Dark Walnut. And with a fine steel wool pad, I rubbed that in to add the color back into these shelves. And then I wiped up the excess with a lint-free rag. Look at that beautiful wood grain. Okay, after the shelves were done, I realized that the backing on this was a little loose, so I pulled out some of these old staples and resecured it with my nail gun. I knew I wanted to make this a freestanding unit, so I found these mid-century modern angled legs off of Amazon that I knew would be the perfect fit. So the first thing I had to do was attach the base plate to them. And after my husband helped me flip the unit upside down, I found the position I wanted to put the legs on. And I initially created some pilot holes where I was going to screw them in. And then I just attached them using the screws that came with the legs. I could not be happier with how this turned out. It is absolutely beautiful. If you liked this restoration, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more. Thanks for watching, and until next time.